Good morning, students. Today I will tell you what is commercial art, which you took in class 12th. Commercial art and applied art. Meaning, definition, everything what you have to do in this subject, in practical subject. Commercial art is especially art for creative services, commercial purpose like advertisement, designing book cover, and different product, signs, posters, advertisement, other modes for acceptance of product or ideas. For practical exam, you will get marks 70 marks. Now in 70 marks you three part में divided होंगे ये 70 marks and 25 marks of poster, which I told you about poster, everything I told you about poster in previous video. Now I am telling you about illustration, and only poster I want to say you have to use three color medium related with the poster. आपको three color medium you have to use, and उसमें oil pastel, one color medium, one will be watercolor or poster color, and another will be acrylic colors. Then you have to use three color mediums with three posters. Then you will learn any one color medium, whatever you like color medium in from all these three. Choose that and make all the posters and practice with that. Okay, now about illustration. In simple language, visualization of any written material or theme is called illustration. Visual explanation of a text, concept of or process designed for published media, poster, flyers, magazines, book, teaching material, any material, video games and films, etc. An illustration is typically created by an illustrator. Now, purpose of illustration. To illustrate means to show something clearly. Now, types of illustration. You can use some different types of illustration for class 12th. You can use different color medium like pencil, shading pencils, charcoal, watercolor, pen or ink, acrylic colors, etc. You can see some popular children's comic and some newspaper illustrations and magazine illustrations. Everyone has their strength and weakness, so don't worry and keep practicing. I will prefer animated illustration, which you can see in comics, children comics. You can make animated illustration, you can add humor in that illustration. Those temperament is not of fine art and they have to obtain marks also. So don't worry about it. I have a trick for you. You can practice two human figure. It can be animated. When school will reopen, I'll tell you how to convert these two illustration figures in different topics or themes. You can try different color mediums, like you can use micron pen with watercolor, simple micron pen, you can use only pencil, charcoal, etc. But one thing which you have to follow, you have to use monochromatic color scheme. Now, two illustrations you have to make in whole session in half imperial size, one illustration of A3 size and two illustrations of A4 size. Total 5 illustrations we will make and 5 posters we will make. In whole session, 5 extra work we will do. That 5 extra work, one artist copy work and one folk art, which I teach you. After that, we will do 3 extra work. We can make any big work also. So you can do one thing, take a photograph of that big work and paste in your portfolio. Now in your portfolio, you have to submit your sketchbook also from starting to end. You can make sketches in your sketchbook. If you don't have sketchbook now, you can practice in your photocopy paper or any plain blank paper. Practice a lot. You have got some extra time in these holidays. So don't throw your rough sketches. You can keep it for your portfolio. Now these days you have got lots of time to use that. Every day at least make one sketch, so you will see your drawing will improve a lot. Collect all the sketches and you can make one sketchbook with that. I will prefer handmade acknowledgement and certificate. So keep practicing and sketching a lot. All the best.